What's up, guys? My name is Damien of Damien15 Productions, and I am making this video in response to my previous upload, a tribute to Alex the Honking Bird. Just from deep down, I just want to offer my most sincere condolences to Annika and to the rest of the family of Alex for their loss. And regarding my video, I want to thank you guys, the viewers, for your kind words in the comments section of this video and just your undying support. We all loved Alex, but, you know, just like Annika said in one video, nothing lasts forever. I know it's pretty unfortunate because a lot of people really loved Alex, myself included. You know, his silly little honk carries a strong message, you know. We're all gonna miss Alex, and, you know, just from deep down, I offer my most sincere condolences and my utmost gratitude to the viewers and the people who commented on that video for their support. So that's all I'm doing for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, thank you for all the support you've been sending to Alex and his family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.